poppin'. All in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your favorite. Yeah.
Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Tinky Masi. I hope you subscribe and you stay. Anyway guys, today is the day that we're traveling to Egypt for my husband's birthday. I've taken a shower, as you guys can see. I'm all dressed up. I've just put on a jumper and my friend is coming to pick me up. I think he's the one calling me now. So we are running late. I'm flying in from here to Kerry, from Kerry Airport, sorry, to London to Egypt. So stay tuned. I'll talk to you soon. I'm running late guys. He's calling me. I think he's outside. So later. Hi guys. We are on our way to the airport. We're not even really late. We are early and my friend Simba is taking me to the airport. So yeah, that's the update for now that I'm on my way to the airport. I will talk to you when we get to the airport actually, or later. Quick update. We're about to leave Kerry to London Luton. Our flight's delayed, so I'm now worried and scared if I'll catch my next flight, our next flight. So fingers crossed. Go again. To see my husband. The weather is so good. I mean, look at this, just natural light. London, love you lots baby, because the weather chef's kiss. Anyway guys, let me go and let me prepare to land so that I can go and meet the love of my life. Hi guys, I'm with the birthday boy now and he's eating. Anyway, we are leaving now for Egypt and we are so tired. Like we were late and everything was just like, anyway, thank God we're safe and sound and we're about to leave. So I'll check you guys on the other side. Thank you. you okay? Okay, the second one. Thank you. Yeah, thank you. No, I don't need the receipt. It's okay, thank you. No, I don't need it, thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, baby, we are about to land in Hurghada in Egypt, and 5 hours 20 minutes later, here we are. Do you want to say anything?
No, tired, so I'm going to bed.
You're tired, you just want to go to bed.
Let's take this show on the road. Shit, different day. I be bored out my mind. Hometown, love my place, but while I'm in the prime, gotta go get away. Hop a train, cop a flight, and ride. Tonight I gotta break free. My job, those boss be working minors. Clock out at 4. Oh no, me not disturb. My boyfriend's cool. I need my girls. The world is ours, so run it up. Let's go to a land where we can.
Okay,
Mexican. Nice
Okay.
food.
alright.
Mexican, I love Mexican.
Yes,
chili.
yes.
And Mexican beer.
Yeah.
Mexican beer. Yeah. You want for in the beach?
Oh, the beach is right here.
Yes, big beach. Big.
Oh.
Beach area.
Okay, so
I have for 1,500 for Chesno.
Okay.
Okay,
Yes, nice.
Wow.
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 This
You
is
have for
beautiful.
building
Uh-huh.
370 rooms. Yes.
All that.
All that, yes.
Wow.
Yes.
Thank you very
You
much.
have
This
for
is beautiful.
kids pool. If you have for children, you can swim here.
Thank you very much.
You have its area on the left hand.
Uh-huh.
You have for ice cream. Ice cream, yes, nice.
Okay.
You can go now in soccer restaurant for fish fresh.
Uh-huh.
Oh,
Okay.
vitamine.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. They can go.
Oh.
Marina.
Yes.
And I'll be found so off the grid, way too little, slow down. No, me and who when they see me out, booked it 'cause I'm not waiting around for you. Let's fucking go Miami, let's fucking go Chicago, let's fucking go New York, let's fucking go Houston, let's fucking go Atlanta, let's fucking go Tokyo, let's fucking go Brazil, let's fucking go London, let's fucking go South Africa, let's fucking go Korea, let's fucking go New York, let's fucking go Toronto, let's fucking go Paris, let's fucking go Nigeria, let's fucking go DC, let's fucking go and Malaysia, let's fucking go trees, new beach, we be out on the coast swimsuit, 2-piece, catch me doing the most eating good in Perry, grab a glass, make a toast to life, just living like it's my life in these streets, music playing all night. Hawaii, I found my peace on a mountain zip line. Australia stole my heart and the natives are fine as hell. Oh well, let's spend it all tonight in a land where we cannot.
Hi guys, good morning. It's not even morning, it's around 12 o'clock. We were tired, I mean, as per usual. We were tired, we spent the whole morning sleeping, and I even forgot to show you guys the room tour. I mean, what? I even forgot, but I'll show you guys later when we come back from our lunch. I think we're going out for lunch now, and then yeah, we'll see other things that we'll do outside, baby. I mean, don't mind me looking that way because our view is top tier. I'm wearing this dress from Zara, brown, long, and you know, it's a long dress, long maxi dress. Love it. Here's a pocket here, and yeah, guys, I really can't wait to explore. Is it Hurghada or Hurghada? Hurghada, yeah? Hey, baby.
Hurghada.
I can't wait to explore Hurghada. So, see you later. But then before we leave, you guys already know the drill. Drinks before we leave. That's a full glass, baby. Kelly wine. That's a big, huge, full glass. So yeah, guys, let us drink and then we leave.
Beach, we be out on the coast. Swimsuit, two-piece, catch me doing the most. Eating good in Perry, grab a glass, make
Earrings and accessories, whatever you call them. I'll put on my favorite bangles that I got from Shein. Love them loads. And I'll put on these gold earrings, also from Shein. Relax a bit while we are having a drink, a glass of, and then we can then go out. Ulomoya, like, but then it's sunny at the same time. Ulomoya, you know, the view is beautiful. Like my view, like, is the yacht and the sea. Gorgeous view. I'll show it to you guys when I do a room tour, which is probably gonna be, it will be there, like, so it won't konap. I'll show it to you guys. I won't forget because that's my favorite thing to do. You already know that's my favorite thing to do. So yeah, let us have drinks and then we go out and see what Hurghada has in store for us.
You know, English does not pay bills.
I know. So I was like, look, baby, I want to vlog, but
It's not
then
our first language.
yeah,
English is not our
true.
first
Oh yeah, I always
My
tell
first language is Nyanja.
true. I always tell my fellow vloggers that, you know what, say what you want to say, be yourself, and
He brought us here.
oh my goodness.
Stay. Go.
So yeah, guys, in Dama eating, my husband was like so confused. He found one of these love letters on one of my handbags.
And I thought someone wrote one of in your wallet where I wanted to get bank cards.
Yeah.
And I thought someone had written your love letter. I didn't know it was me.
No, I keep
found
all
out
these
it was
things. Like if he sends me flowers or buy me something that comes with a note, I keep them in different handbags of mine. So yeah, but me loyal as F.
Yeah, I thought I found something.
So you don't trust me?
No, I thought I found a love letter.
I'm loyal as a what is that saying? Loyal as a what?
As a pickle.
Yeah, I mean,
We're not going there. We should.
I just throw them in all of my handbags. So yeah.
That came
Now when Vegati umbambile. Kanti.
Senzan.
No, I don't know because you came saying
Because
who wrote this for you? Because
it's got hearts and kisses.
it's you that says these things to these flower shop people. So they write using their handwriting.
Oh, that's why I thought. Yeah, I don't recognize.
Yeah,
this.
exactly. So it's not really your handwriting, but it's your words.
Ah, I see.
Exactly. So anyway, guys, we are
Hugs and
outside. Hugs and kisses. Love yourself, and Be good, guys. We're going outside. We're so hungry because we're drinking champagne and yeah.
Happy birthday to us.
Yes, happy birthday to us. This dress gives me like rich auntie vibes.
I give you presents on our birthday.
You always do, baby. Always do. I always get presents when it's my husband's birthday. He buys me presents instead, and we're gonna open that present when we. They don't know. They don't know what I'm getting, but then we're gonna.
Do they want a surprise or they want to see it?
They'll see it definitely. We will open that present when we get to the UK after our holiday. So, okay, my lovelies, let me go outside and live my best life. I'm so hungry. I can't wait to taste the Egyptian food. Hopefully, it's chef's kiss. So yeah, this place is so calm and cute. Like, can you hear the music? This is what the Marina looks like at night. So gorgeous. So yeah guys, we are at drinks. It is in Hurghada, whereby you can get the drinks in the middle of the night. My husband is getting drinks. Like literally you can walk in and then you meet this guy and you get your drinks. Literally the place is called Drinkies. As you can see, let me zoom in. Drinkies, so yeah. Hi guys, I hope you guys are good. Today is day 2 in Egypt and yeah, we had breakfast in the morning. We're late anyway, but yeah, so now we're just preparing to go out. We want to go to the Marina so we can purchase activities for tomorrow. I think you book in advance and then they do that whole thing of coming to pick you up, and yeah, they come and pick you up and then you go and do those activities. It's giving the vibe of what we did in Thailand, whereby they come and take you and then you'll be doing activities in different places. I need to do these small edges. So yeah, the weather is not really that good. It's windy but not in a bad way, you know. It's their winter, but their winter will never be compared to the UK, to the European winter, you know what I mean? So yeah, that's exactly that we want to do actually. Yesterday we had a really nice chilled day. We didn't do much and got to sleep. You know what? I don't vlog everything because sometimes I'll be just living the moment. We got to meet different people. People here are happy, they are nice, and just touring around the city, you know. That's why I'm saying that some of the things I really don't vlog them because it will be just me taking everything in, like living the moment. So yeah, that was yesterday. I'm done with my makeup. I just wanted to do these edges and then I have to put my setting spray because I have dry skin. I'm not a makeup guru, but this works for me because I have dry skin. I put this one first, the setting spray, the Tilbury, the airbrush setting spray, like whatever you guys know. There it is. I put that first. Love it down, like so hydrating. Favorite, smells so good. So I let this one dry, you know. I think I need more. Yeah, let this one dry. And then, yeah, while I'm waiting for it to dry, I'll just use this small olive for my braids. I'd already put some, just want to top it up. Babe, can I have a drink, if you don't mind? Please. So, yeah, this one is dry. We cannot not sleep on here. Do you want to say hi to the vlog?
I'm just tired, baby.
You're tired? You know the story? We're tired. He's tired. You know. Iliama's Sparrowing likes talking. If he wasn't tired, he could be here talking. And then this one's next. Yeah, decent and good. I think I'll put just a little bit of ruby oil. Yeah, very very nice because first I put this one. Don't know the color. It's called Me or something. I want to show this to you guys. So I mix the two together. Let's close these things, pack them up, and I go and dress up. Yeah, let's not forget, I love the Rituals shimmering body oil. So good. So good. So yeah guys, that's it. And also guess what, we're gonna request an Uber to go to the Marina. Guess how much was the price yesterday? It was $1 to go there, and then coming back it was about $2. I think it was because it was late and then the Uber drivers were busy, so it was $1 to go. And then
From where? You have to tell me.
from our hotel, which is the Hilton in Hurghada, to the Marina. Thank you baby for pointing out that. And then coming back from the Marina where we ate, we saw people, like it was really a vibe. It was $2 coming back, and then we get to see people. What we did before we left the UK, what my husband did actually, he had loads of $2, $3, like we took out about, is it 200 or 300 of dollars, you know. So we're also having fun, like giving them tips and stuff, you know. It's always nice to give back to the community. It's Africa, guys. Africa is one. So everyone was happy wherever we went. We would give extra $2, extra $3, and I think that's good, you know. With the little that we have, we share, we make other people happy, and yeah, we're happy too, like to see that the ones that were giving, they're happy, they were excited, like it was a vibe, like, you know. So really and truly I will vlog that, because you know, that there are things that we have to do without putting them on camera, especially if you're doing it wholeheartedly. There's no need to vlog. So yeah guys, let me dress up and we go outside, baby. Okay? Okay guys, we are going out now. Outfit of the day. Remember that top from Shein? I'm wearing the white, let me tilt the camera this way. I'm wearing these white shorts from Zara, and I'm wearing slides for my bag, and yeah, I think decent and nice. Love this for me. So off we go, baby. At the Marina, right? Yeah, I think it's the first shop in Marina where you come and purchase your activities.
Tell them in.
Do you want to tell them?
Which the trip?
Yeah.
This is a panorama submarine.
Yeah.
We have this 2 hours to make in the coral reef to see the fish from the glass.
Okay.
And we make a snorkeling. If you want to make it, have the long in the boat.
Okay.
How much it is? Don't forget how cheap it is. These are the price.
The price is
$10.
$10.
€10 the same.
This is cheap, like everything literally is cheap
And
here.
you're gonna see the experience. That's
So
what I want.
yeah. to this.
Nobody told you this before, but you outshine the sun. The type that I've been looking for. I've seen you inside my dreams. So baby, come a little closer. Know that you are the only one. I wanna see your body move. Don't be afraid. And baby, keep the lights on. And baby, keep the lights on. So can we keep the lights on? I wanna see you. The type that I've been looking for. I've seen you inside my dreams. So baby, come a little closer. Know that you are the only one. I wanna see your body move. Don't be afraid. And baby, keep the lights on. And baby, keep the lights on. So can we keep the lights on? I wanna see you. This world can be an ugly place. Sometimes it brings out the worst in us. When I see your pretty face,
We still jump. Love this for us. Say hi to them now, baby.
Hello.
Family.
Hi family. Here
It's noisy here actually. It's pre-birthday.
We're under the sea.
Yeah, literally under the sea. I don't know if you guys
Under
can
the
hear
Red
us.
Sea. The
Yeah.
Red Sea. Specifically.
Red Sea.
Give the family some love. Make the heart grow hearty.
So yeah, pre-birthday and tomorrow is our birthday. Anyway guys, we'll be back.
the valleys. I got my eyes wide open. Baby, don't hide. And baby, keep the lights on. Baby, keep the lights on. And can we keep the lights on? I wanna see you. Baby, keep the lights on. Baby, keep the lights on. And can we keep the lights on? I wanna see you. I wanna see your body move. Yeah. I wanna see your body move.
Hi guys, we are back. Right now we are at, what's the name of this restaurant? We're at, is it Fellucca? Fellucca Seafood Restaurant and Bar in Marina, Hurghada. That's where we're having our dinner and then we go back home.
Did this before, but you outshine the sun. The type that I've been looking for. I've seen you inside my dreams. So baby, come a little closer. Know that you are the only one. I wanna see your body move. Don't be afraid. And baby, keep the lights on. And baby, keep the lights on. So can we keep the lights on? I wanna see you. This world can be an ugly place. Sometimes it brings out the worst in us. But when I see your pretty face, it all fades away. Yeah. Let me climb up your mountain. Let me search through your valleys. I got my eyes wide open. Baby, don't hide. And baby, keep the lights on. Baby, keep the lights on.
the name of the restaurant? What's this name of the restaurant?
Fellucca restaurant.
Fellucca,
New
where
Marina,
is it?
Hurghada. Habibi, come to
Habibi,
Hurghada.
Come to Hurghada.
Yes, Habibi.
So baby, come a little closer. Know that you are the only one. I wanna see your body move. Don't be afraid. And baby, keep the lights on. And baby, keep the lights on. So can we keep the lights on? I wanna see you. This world can be an ugly place. Sometimes it brings out the worst in us. But when I see your pretty face, it all fades away.
What's this? Okay, so you just eat with. Okay. Thank you.
I got my eyes wide open, baby, don't hide. And baby, keep the lights on. Baby, keep the lights on. Can we keep the lights on? I wanna see you.
Yeah, very nice.
Thank you. So
So you watch, you see yourself.
this guy, if
Yeah.
you come to Hurghada, come to Fellucca and look for
Abdul.
Abdul.
Yeah, very nice people here.
People need
the,
you.
the best guest we have here. The best guest.
So come to Fellucca.
Fellucca, ask about Abdul.
And Marina.
Thank you.
All right.
We're back. Room tour.